Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I am going to show you easy ways to hide apps on your Android phone. Because hey, we all have apps we'd rather keep private. Whether it is that meditation app you never use or a surprise shopping app you are hiding from nosy family members, I've got you covered. Hiding apps is a great way to protect your privacy, reduce distractions, and let us be honest, make your phone feel a little more like a secret agent's gadget. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let us get sneaky. Here's what we'll cover in this video. How to disable apps to make them disappear like magic. How to use your device hide apps feature if your phone's fancy enough to have it. Creative ways to organize apps into hidden pages on your home screen that even Sherlock Holmes couldn't find. How to lock your device to secure apps and prevent unauthorized access. To keep prying eyes out because privacy is priceless. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at hiding apps and keeping your Android experience organized and secure. Let us dive in. Method 1. Disable apps. Let us start simple. Disabling an app is like putting it in timeout. It is still on your phone but out of sight and out of mind. This works great for pre-installed apps that are about as useful as a second toaster. To start, open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. Go to Apps. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps Management. Select the app. Find the pesky app you never use but can't uninstall. Looking at you? Stock tips. Disable the app. Tap Disable and confirm your decision with a dramatic finger tap on Disable app. Quick tip: disabled apps are like that friend who left the group chat, still lurking but not making any noise. This method is simple, doesn't require any extra tools, and even saves space. But fair warning, it works best for pre-installed apps, so your beloved third-party apps might not comply. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Use the Hide Apps feature. For the fancy phones, if your device has a built-in Hide Apps feature, congratulations, you got the VIP treatment. It is like giving apps their own invisibility cloak. To start, open Settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Access Home Screen Settings. Look for Home Screen or something similar because Android loves to play hide and seek with its own features. Tap Hide Apps. Click on Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Use Apps to hide. Select the apps you want to vanish, like the workout app you totally meant to use last year. Confirm selection. Hit Done. And lo and behold, the apps are hidden. This is hands down the easiest method if your phone supports it. If not, don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Method 3. Create hidden app pages. Get creative. If your phone doesn't have a hide apps feature, don't fret. We are about to go old school and hide apps in plain sight, like a ninja blending into a crowd. Steps: open your app drawer. Swipe up or left on your home screen to see all your apps. Select an app to hide. Long press on an app icon, like that shopping app you don't want anyone seeing during the holidays. Create a new page. Drag it to the far right of your home screen until a new page magically appears. Add more apps to the page. Keep dragging apps to this hidden corner of your phone where nobody looks. Organize the hidden apps. Throw in a random calculator app or two for good measure. Quick tip: if someone asks why you have a page with just one app, say, "Oh, I am minimalist now." This method is fun, easy, and works universally. It is perfect for those of us who like to keep things sneaky without overcomplicating. Method 4. Lock your device. For maximum privacy, sometimes the best way to keep your apps private is to keep your whole phone under lock and key. After all, nobody can snoop if they can't even get in. Steps: open Settings. Head to Settings like the security-conscious genius you are. Go to Lock Screen Settings. Tap Lock Screen or Security. Choose a lock type. Select Pattern, PIN, Password, or if your phone is extra fancy, go for biometric like a fingerprint or face scan. Set up your lock. Follow the instructions and create your secret code. Just don't make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Your device is now locked tighter than a bolt in a spy movie. While this doesn't technically hide apps, it keeps your entire phone secure. Think of it as putting the whole treasure chest under lock and key. Hiding apps on Android can be done in various ways depending on your needs and device capabilities. From disabling apps to using the Hide Apps feature, creating hidden pages, or locking your device, there is a method for everyone. Pick the one that works best for you and enjoy a cleaner, more private Android experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Wireless Solution for more tech tips, app reviews, and productivity hacks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.